today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys my nighttime routine on my natural hair. So what I'll normally do is, like right now, my hair feels really dry. So here is just water. If you have your liquid leave-in conditioner as well, that's preferable, but I go in with water most times. So I just spray my hair. They said it's let me read out the functions for you guys. That it gives amazing manageability, softness and shine to your natural hair. So I'm going to apply just a little bit of it. And since my scalp is dry, and you guys know your girl needs some growth, especially on my edges after my postpartum shedding, I just go ahead, not too much, I just put it everywhere in my scalp. And next I'll always go in with a little bit of my whipped shea butter. One of the days where I was supposed to add all this in my nighttime routine, so I decided to show you guys. Like, I don't do this every night. I don't add oils and everything. If I feel my hair, my scalp and my hair and it looks moist, I just go ahead and concentrate on my edges and I go to bed. But this night I had to do almost everything, so I decided to film the video for you guys to see. Now that I have my twist on, I just go ahead, separate my hair in the middle. Now that my hair is all moisturized, it's looking nice, it feels nice, soft. I just go ahead and braid my hair. So that's that. Once I know my ends are protected, you see, that's how it looks. Make sure to cover your hair. Doesn't strip off moisture from my hair. And yeah, sometimes, because you know your girl scatters a lot at night, I don't want my satin to come off, so I will always go off with this my silk hair scarf as well. I have about 3 of them. Anyone I easily find around, I just go ahead and tie it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Share with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment, and I love you guys for watching.